Hello everyone and welcome to the Nerd Cave. In this tutorial, we are going to connect this Joystick module to the ESP32S3 Pico. We are going to look at two simple examples. In the first example, we will read the analog values of the joystick and check if a button is pressed. In example 2, we will control the brightness of an LED using PWM by using the joystick to control the duty cycle. The Joystick module is a fun input device that works much like the analog sticks on a game controller. It has two potentiometers for the X and Y axis, plus a push button that can be pressed by pressing down on the stick. To follow along with this tutorial, build the schematic diagram shown here. For a resistor, any value between 300 to 1 kilo ohm would be fine. After building the circuit, head on over to my website nerdcave.xyz, go to ESP32, click on Get Started, go to the S3 Pico, and go to tutorial 6, and in here we can click on demo 1 and we can copy this code and paste it in Phony. Let's quickly go through this code. We start by importing the machine and U-time library. Machine let us control the Pico's hardware pins and U-time as a simple delay. Next we set up the X and Y axis as analog inputs using ADC and the joystick button as a digital input with a pull-up resistor. Inside the loop, the Pico reads the X and Y values, check if a button is pressed, and then prints out everything on the console every 0.2 seconds. This gives us live feedback of how the joystick moves in both directions when a button is pressed. Running the code, we get the following. So you'll see the values will fluctuate in the middle when it's reading. So when we press this up, this will go to 0. When we press this down, this will go to the maximum 65,535. Same with the x-axis. If we go left and right, we'll see the value change. And when we press the button, it will show their status pressed. Now let's copy example 2 and paste it in Phony. In this example, we just use the x-axis and we set up the LED to GPIO 40 using PWM. That will let us control the brightness by adjusting the duty cycle. Inside the loop, we read the joystick value, convert it to a smaller range for PWM, and update the LED brightness in real time. So as you move the joystick left or right, the LED smoothly fades brighter or dimmer. So running this code, we get the following. So if I press this one to the left, we will see the LED brightness will increase. And when I press this to the right, the brightness should go to 0. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and for more videos like this, consider subscribing to the channel. I will see you in the next video.